Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of health and nutrition. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. If you want to improve your overall health, control your blood pressure, or simply adopt a balanced eating plan, don't skip this video. Have you ever heard of the DASH diet? The term DASH stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, and was originally developed by the U.S. National Institutes of Health. The primary goal of this diet is to address and control high blood pressure, which is a risk factor for cardiovascular disease. However, other studies have shown that it also has broader health benefits. Before we delve into the health benefits, let's consider the principles and components of the DASH diet. It emphasizes incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your daily meals for their nutritional benefits. If you follow this diet plan, opt for whole grain options such as whole wheat, brown rice, oatmeal, and quinoa, which provide more fiber and nutrients compared to refined grains. In addition, prioritize lean sources of protein such as poultry, fish, legumes, and nuts, which contain less saturated fat and are beneficial for heart health. To further contribute to a healthy diet, choose low-fat or fat-free dairy products, such as milk, yogurt, and cheese, which offer essential nutrients with reduced saturated fat content. You should cut back on sodium-rich foods, such as processed snacks, canned soups, salt, and fast food. Instead, use herbs, spices, and other seasonings to enhance the flavor of your meals. Moderation is key when it comes to consuming sweets and added sugars, including sugary drinks, desserts, and processed snacks. To balance the nutrients in your meals, incorporate foods from different food groups and avoid overeating. Don't forget that the DASH diet is not a short-term restrictive diet, but a long-term, sustainable approach to eating. Therefore, it can be tailored to individual preferences and needs. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please try to do it now and like the video. This can help us show it to more people and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our interesting tips. Let's continue with this educational adventure. We recommend you to stay until the end of the video so you don't miss any of this valuable information. Health benefits of the DASH diet. Lowers blood pressure. Encourages consumption of foods rich in potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which are associated with lower blood pressure. It also encourages reduced sodium intake, a key factor in hypertension. Promotes heart health. This diet plan focuses on whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products, all of which can help reduce the risk of heart disease, heart attacks, and strokes. It also helps lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Helps control weight. It encourages the consumption of foods that provide satiety. This can help control weight if combined with portion control and regular physical activity. Reduced risk of diabetes. Has been associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Emphasis on whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and portion size control helps keep blood sugar levels stable. Improve nutrient intake. The DASH diet promotes a complete and balanced eating plan that incorporates various food groups. This can improve nutrient intake, which promotes overall health and well-being. Reduces the risk of certain types of cancer. It has been associated with a lower risk of certain types of cancer, such as colorectal and breast cancer. Promotes kidney health. The emphasis on lower sodium intake and the inclusion of nutrient-rich foods may be beneficial for kidney health, especially for people with kidney disease or a history of kidney stones. Do you want to incorporate this diet plan? If so, here are some tips. Understand the principles. Familiarize yourself with its key components, as discussed above. Know the recommended food groups, serving sizes, and limitations on sodium and added sugars. Set realistic goals. Determine your health goals and how this diet can help you reach them. Whether it's lowering blood pressure, controlling weight, or improving overall health, having clear goals can keep you motivated. Make gradual changes. Start by making small, sustainable changes to your eating habits. Gradually incorporate more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals, while cutting back on foods high in sodium and sugar. Plan your meals. Plan your meals in advance to make sure you have a variety of foods. This can help you make healthier choices and avoid resorting to processed or unhealthy options. Read food labels. Learn to read food labels and check their sodium and sugar content. Look for low sodium options and choose products with minimal added sugars. Cook at home. Be sure to prepare your meals at home because it allows you to control the ingredients and cooking methods used. Include varied foods. Try to incorporate a wide range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products into your diet. This will ensure that you receive a wide variety of nutrients and flavors. For those foods that are not allowed in this diet plan, look for healthier alternatives. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep you hydrated. Water is the best option, but you can also enjoy unsweetened herbal teas or infused water for flavor. Track your progress. Keep track of your progress, whether it's monitoring your blood pressure, weight, or overall wellness. This will help you stay accountable and let you know how the diet is positively impacting your health. Be consistent and patient. Remember that adopting a new eating pattern takes time and consistency. Be patient with yourself and focus on long-term progress rather than immediate results. Celebrate the small victories along the way. Seek support. Participate in support systems such as friends, family, or online communities that also follow this diet plan. Share experiences, recipes, and tips to stay motivated and inspired. Below, we will answer some of the most frequently asked questions about the DASH diet. Is it suitable for vegetarians or vegans? Yes, it can be adapted for vegetarians or vegans by focusing on plant sources of protein, such as legumes, tofu, and nuts. Can children and the elderly incorporate this diet? Yes, it can be modified to suit the needs of different age groups. It is important to consider individual health requirements and make appropriate adjustments. Is alcohol allowed? Moderate alcohol consumption may be allowed. For men, up to 2 drinks per day, and for women, up to 1 drink per day, can be part of a healthy lifestyle. Is the DASH diet supported by scientific evidence? Yes, it is backed by numerous scientific studies demonstrating its effectiveness in lowering blood pressure and improving overall cardiovascular health. Are there any side effects? On rare occasions, people accustomed to a high-sodium diet may have difficulty adjusting to the taste of foods. However, the use of herbs and spices can improve the palatability of low-sodium foods. Meanwhile, emphasis on high-fiber foods can lead to increased gas and bloating, especially in those who are not accustomed to high-fiber intake. To alleviate these digestive problems, gradual incorporation of fiber, accompanied by adequate water intake, is recommended. In addition, people with pre-existing health problems or taking medication should consult their doctor before making major changes to their diet. If you found this content useful, please help us by liking and sharing this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. We also encourage you to send us your questions or suggestions in the comments section. Your feedback is important to us and we would love to hear from you. Together we can continue to explore the path to a healthier lifestyle. Until the next time we cross your path, keep nourishing your body with nutritious foods.